Hello there and welcome to lesson number 3, Search Types. By default, every time you go to the library catalog and begin searching using the search bar on your screen here, you will be performing a keyword search. The catalog will take what you type in, search for those words, and show you what it has found based on those particular words. For instance, if I left click in the search bar here, type in dogs, and then left click on the magnifying glass to start the search, the catalog will show lots of items containing and relating to the word dogs. For some, this big list of search results will be very helpful. For others, perhaps not so much. Fortunately, other search options are available. If you know the title of an item that you want to look for, or have a pretty good idea of what the title is, you can perform a title search. Go to the red toolbar on the top of the screen and click on the All Fields. Left click, and then go down to Title Search and left click again. Then I'm going to go behind here, left click, and hit the backspace key a few times to remove this. Alright, and then I'm going to type in the title of an item. It doesn't have to be word for word exact, but it definitely does help your search if your title, what you type in, is pretty close to the actual title. So I'm just going to put in Murder on Orient Express. Alright, and then I'm going to left click on the search button here to do the search. Alright, as you can see by scrolling down, there are a variety of items available under this title. You can also perform an author search if you'd like to see all the items created by a particular individual. When doing an author search, the word order of the author's name does not matter very much. You can type in the last name first or the first name last, for instance, William Shakespeare or Shakespeare William. Both should be okay and should work in your search. What does matter is the spelling of a name. Names should be spelled correctly or as correctly as possible. In fact, it may be helpful to double check the spelling of a name before entering it into the catalog, because the catalog might struggle if it does not recognize a name. So let's give it a try. I'm going to go to the red toolbar on the top of the page, left click here on title, scroll down, and then left click on author. Next, I'm going to go over here in the search bar, left click again, and hit the backspace key a few times to remove this. Alright, now I'm going to type in an author's name, say Stephen King. Alright, and then left click on search. Here we go. A list of all of Stephen King's books. On a side note, under an author search, you can also type in a director's name and see all the movies from a particular director. That's a nice tool too.